released its first foldable smartphone, the Mi Mix Fold, in April 2021. Now, with the year markup, it seems that the Chinese company is putting the finished touches to the difficult second album, the Mix Fold 2. Here's all the latest news and rumors surrounding the upcoming devices. Reliable tipster Ice Universe recently claimed that the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 will be launched on August 11, and the tipster has proved right since Xiaomi took to Weibo to confirm the August 11 unveiling of the Mix Fold 2. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 price will be around $1,500. Xiaomi looks to be upgrading the display in the Mix Fold 2 according to a report from gsmarena. The new model will feature a 120Hz refresh rate, plus the aspect ratio will change to match that of the Honor Magic 5, which boosts a 21:9 6.45-inch OLED display on the outside with a 10.3:9 7.9-inch OLED internal display. gsmarena says that the internal display will be an LTPO 8.1 in panel running at 2K with support for variable refresh rates, while gsmarena reports that there will be a new improved hinge mechanism that will make the overall device lighter and thinner than the previous model. A punch hole opening for the internal camera is another possibility, with Xiaomi avoiding the use of an under-display lens this time around. Most rumors seems to agree that the Mix Fold 2 will be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which means it will have plenty of speed performance on tap. A Chinese TINA certification listing also suggests that it will come with 12GB of RAM and either 512GB or 1TB of storage, while 3C certification reveals support for 67-watt charging speeds. Aside from these points, we have seen little in the way of strong rumors, so it could be that the aforementioned refinements added to the existing spec component of the original Xiaomi Mix Fold could be what we will see when it launches later this year.